Alright, so basically what I got here is just a homemade throw together clutch spring compression uh, uh, to compress the spring. Sorry. Anyway, to go on the I think it's the EPI website to buy a tool, it's about $90, and I said I think I'm just gonna try to make my own. So I just wanted to kind of show you. I mean, I made this out of nothing but just scrap that was literally on this table right here that happened to be here. I mean, I do got my welding machine and all over there, so you definitely need a welding machine and a torch. But I already happen to have this threaded round stock. Matter of fact, I got a couple pieces there. Just a piece of channel, or I'm sorry, not channel, a piece of angle, and I just welded this, welded it there. I just got it clamped down, and basically what I did then was, and see, there's the new spring. Here's the old spring right there. And I wanted to try to do this while I was doing it, but it was late and dark, and I was in a hurry, so I didn't really get to film actually changing the spring out. But it's basically pretty simple. I'm just gonna put that down there. It was just an old 2-inch hitch that I had, and I literally just took the torch and cut it out like that. Slid that down, and it fits really. I mean, it's a perfect fit for that. Then I just took it in. This was just a piece of plate that already happened to have a hole just big enough to set down there like that. Then it was just a matter of, you know, having the thread, or I'm sorry, a nut to put on there on the threads. And at that point, it's just screwing it down. And I just had a wrench here, screw it down. And actually, another piece of ingenuity that I did to make this a little faster was, I'm trying to find it, I thought it was right here. And it's not. I'm gonna pause real quick and I will be right back. Okay, so actually all I was gonna show was this other piece of redneck ingenuity here. Was I actually took and just welded 2 deep well 3/4 inch sockets together. Just kind of guerrilla welded that a little bit. But the reason, I mean, you can always cut this a little shorter, but we was in a hurry and trying to we want to make sure we had enough thread so that when this compressed up all the way, we didn't run out of thread. So anyway, we left this a little bit longer. I would definitely probably the next time I do this, I will probably just cut this off a little bit. But just to show you what we did to get by with it and get this thing done, I just basically did like this. And what it just allows you to do is put your, I've got my impact there, electrical impact, put it on it, and then just thread this thing down, and you can go a lot farther. I mean, you can go like that far with it. So basically, even if you cut this off, you could still use this. This would still come in handy to make this a lot faster, other than spinning this thing around with a wrench. So, but basically, I mean, everything was fine. Everything come out fine. And I didn't have to spend $90 for a tool that I literally just made out of stuff I found on this table here. Cost me nothing. And I've got something. Of course, I would probably modify it a little bit if I was going to do this regular. But being this is probably like a one-time thing, I wasn't going to spend $90 on a tool to use something one time that I can literally just make, you know, and throw this together, and it worked just as good as any tool. So just a quick video on kind of what I did, this homemade sort of, so to speak, piece of redneck ingenuity for a clutch spring compression, whatever. Anyway, is anything else? No, thanks for watching.